Yo, good day. Wala na pala akong lemon at saka pipino. Bibili muna ako sa palengke. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Tayo, magkano pipino mo tayo? 120. Kalahati nga ako.
Reports na.
Sige po, magkano yan?
85.
Thank you, Tay. Kaya magkano sa lemon mo? Pabili. Pili na ako. Sabayad ko tayo. Thank you. Ako mamili. Tara.
Hey, damn, I feel good. Damn, I feel good. Yeah. Sobrang up, yeah, they see me up. Lalo pag sa club, I can't stop. Throwing money, told you I don't give a fuck. Basta bitches going standing sa'kin nagpapasikat. Yeah, I'm vibing. Yeah, I'm vibing. Ayo, bitch, what's happening? San yung para sa'kin? Kung walang kita, di kita kakausapin. Mamahalin yung flow, yung ikot laging slimy. Agad na kasya go at paputo ka, yun yung timing. Yung tawag SOS, drop laming test, drop happiness. Backroom deals, no sa sasa naging best. 7 days a week, walang tigil, wanna rest. Won't stop, stacking money hanggang maging LRS. Hey, 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 damn, I feel good. Damn, I feel good. I feel like, hey, 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 damn, I feel good. Damn, I feel good. Hey.
Siyan lang.